Retest review polynomials questions 25 and 26. Describe the end behavior of each function. Now to describe the end behavior, first thing you need to know is the degree of the polynomial, so that is the largest exponent. And you need to know the leading coefficient, which is a -1 for 25. So it's degree 3. And with the degree we need to know is 3 an even or an odd number, which 3 is odd. And then the leading coefficient we need to know is that positive or negative, which is negative. So we need to know if a polynomial is odd degree and negative, what does the left and right side of the graph look like? So I would compare this to y equals -x, which you should know what that looks like. It's going to look like this. Something like this. So the left side will be going up and the right side will be going down. Now up here I drew what I'd call my compass. It gives us our direction here. And if the left side is up, it's going to be in the second quadrant. So on the y-axis, it's going to infinity. And on the x-axis, it's going to -infinity. So I describe the end or the left side of this graph as f of x approaches infinity as x approaches -infinity. On the right side, it's in quadrant 4, so I go to my compass, and for the y-axis, it's going to -infinity, and then on the x-axis, it's going to infinity. So the description of the right side would be f of x is approaching -infinity as x approaches infinity. For the question number 26, we have an exponent or degree of 4. That's an even number, and then the leading coefficient is negative. So if it's even and negative, I compare it to y equals -x², which is a parabola that goes down. So both ends are pointing down. So that would put the left side in quadrant number 3 on our compass here. And the y value is -infinity on our compass, and the x value is -infinity. So that's how I describe the left side. F of x approaches -infinity as x approaches infinity. And then on the right side, it's going down, so that would be in quadrant number 4. So as f of x is going to -infinity, that's the y value, the x is going to positive infinity. So f of x approaches -infinity as x approaches infinity. That would be the description of the right side of our graph.